Morning, everybody. Nice. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're testing this new transmitter I built, 80 megahertz. Let me cover something up and I'll show you the bottom. There we go. That's what the underside looks like. Very cool, very cool. I had to make a quick modification before we got to test. Because I did an initial heater test and the heaters were pulling too much current. So I had to, because originally all four heaters were in parallel, but that didn't work out. So each tube heater is in series, and then these series sets are in parallel. That way, they're 6-volt heater tubes. Now it's 12 volts for each of them. 12 volts, 2 amps instead of 6 volts, 4 amps. The setup. Let's take a look at the setup here. Let's take you out of the holder. Alright. So, over here, in this corner, we have our variac. This is a variable transformer. It'll take us from 0 to 120 volts. And that goes through this wire. Down here, this is a voltage multiplier. And we have the meter on it so we can see what voltage it's at. And the voltage multiplier comes out of here and goes into here to whatever voltage we select. It'll go through this wire and into the B plus. This is the B plus right here. And this here is for our heater. This goes to this 12 volt power supply right here. That's power supply under it, but it doesn't have enough current. And the negative of that supply runs right here. So all the negatives are common. So that's our 200 volt power supply. Oh, everybody comes in after I explained everything. That's okay. 0 to 120 volts goes to the 2 times voltage multiplier and into the transmitter. I'm going to put y'all back on it and we're going to start this baby up. I'm going to turn the heaters on. I'm going to turn this light off so you can see the glow of the heaters. Alright. There we go. Lamp off. Heaters on. Alright, she's a buzzing. I'll try to get y'all situated better with this damn stand. Alright. I'm so sorry about the shakiness. Trying to get it right. There we go. Okay. So these are quite warm. They don't have to be this hot, but they're this hot. I can modulate it, and they go cold, and they don't have to be too warm to start transmitting. It looks like these tubes over here are colder than these tubes, but that's okay. We're gonna leave them running at full blast while I turn on the high voltage. So I'm getting ready to turn on the high voltage. I can plug in this variac. Oh, variac. Alright, and we're hot. And then we have this thing. This is going to tell us if we're making radio. So I got to set it. Frequency start at 1 megahertz. It's supposed to be 80 megahertz. But, you know, we can go to 150 megahertz. Alright. And I'm going to put that quite far away because I don't know how strong this is going to be yet. Actually, I would like it to be on camera though. Here you go. Okay, you can see the baseline. It's pretty much nothing. Here's our transmit button. this screw right here, if I want to, I could put a microphone on this. And I do have, I wanna test this out too. Oh, we got this thing. This microphone set up. It comes in this op amp right here that I kind of rebuilt. It has tubes. Here's our electric mic, and then here's the audio transformer. Anyway, I just put that over here. We'll do that later. Alright, I'm turning up the variac. Damn. I should put the voltage multiplier on camera. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry. Y'all get to look at this thing right here. Let me move it right. Right there, I guess. That's good. Alright, DC. Oh, it's really close, but this won't be having much current, so it should be okay. It shouldn't damage anything. Alright, we're going up. We're turning up. I don't know why the voltage is negative. That's kind of weird. Alright, negative 2 volts. That's not right at all. Something's going on. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's going through a... Hold on. I gotta change clips here. There we go. Alright, I was on the wrong terminal. There we go. 65 volts. Turning it up. And if we look at the back there, maybe we'll see the jump. So far, nothing. 60 volts. We should have seen something, I feel like. Come on, please work, baby. I put a lot of work into you. Oh, you know what? I'm kind of... Transmit button. Alright, let me turn it down to... whatever this is. Ooh. The fuck was that? Alright. It's 18 volts. Uppity up, up, up. 35. 40. 48. 50. 60. 80. Come on, baby. Oh, there's something. I got a peak at 7 megahertz. Look at that. All right. Oh my God. Oh, my poor baby. My poor baby. I'm gonna kill you. It says 113 volts. So I'm gonna keep that over there. All right. Oh, we got a really noisy peak over there. That looks like a noisy peak at 80. Let me check. Holy shit, this thing needs a filter. 134 filters. I mean, 134 megahertz. 119. It's supposed to be 80, damn it. That's okay. I have a capacitor. We'll try that. Well, first, let's see if we can light up a light bulb. Let me try this. Let me find a neon. See if we can light a neon up. Here's one. Oh, come on, you son of a bitch. Alright, let's go higher with the voltage. Wait, I'm already all the way up? Dude. And we're not... Hold on. That's disappointing. Alright, I drained it, and I'm switching tabs to something different. Now the common is going through, it's going through a neon. That way there's a, I don't know what. Let's look at this again. Let's see what she sprays out. It's not enough to jump the neon. There it is, the neon's jumped. but we're not getting an output, are we? Oh man, this ain't good. Alright. Where's the capacitor at? I'm gonna try that. Here it is. Biggie fries. I put Zener diodes on this to help shape the wave. I wonder if those are an issue. I could try bypassing them here in a minute. Ah, you little shithead. Alright. There's nothing better. Alright. I don't know, I just keep the capacitor over here. Let me frequency 1 to 150. Let's stop at 500 just in case we're making something else. Let me also go to 5K. Alright, 5K to 500. Yeah, we're making absolutely garbage. Nothing is there. Oh, there it is. Hello. Alright, 190 megahertz. Okay. Still no light up. That's a nice sharp doodad. 190 megahertz is really high though. Well, the neon won't flip and light. Let's do this. Okay. 191. 191. Geez, this capacitor's not doing too much, is it? 191. It may as well not even be here. 192. Yeah, what the hell? Okay. Why does my capacitor not work? Let's try this to ground. What happens if I do that? Or 91. Oh, Jesus, Lord have mercy. Get in the hole. There we go. $191. Flipper. You flipper. Alright. What can I do? What can I do? $191. 192. Hey, it went up. Cool. So if I wanted 80 megahertz, I would probably need to be around here. How can I get it lower though? I need it lower. What happens if this coil goes in it? Okay. 190. Also, I want to know, will this Tesla take this neon and I'm going to wrap the edges of this coil around the legs of this neon. Thankfully, they already look pre-opened. Okay. Twisting, 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 twisting. Done. Okay. Turn the light off. Stick it in. That's what she said. Oh my god, that's so disappointing. Why doesn't it light up? Alright, let me try something else. Let's turn this down. Drain it. Alright. Now we're on the other side. Okay, got good signal. Turn it back up. 52 volts. No signal. Ridiculous. Oh, there's the signal. How? I mean, this is one hell of a stable, not 190 megahertz, I'm not gonna lie. But it's not what I need. I need it to light this damn thing up. Why it's not doing it? It's beyond me. Alright. Whoa. Coil's having a little bit of an effect. I want to try. Here's a magnet. I want to put something ferrous in here. Just whoa, turn that bitch down. Alright. Put something ferrous in here just to see what effect it has. Alright. 152 volts. Okay, not much of an effect there. Actually, it has quite an effect because we're at 103.1 megahertz. Oh god, this is stupid as hell. Look, my thumb was almost across the ground too while I was doing that. Luckily, it's current limited. Oh, we're still at 193. I don't know why we moved up. Tube temperature maybe. Let's see what this magnet does. Okay, doesn't have much of an effect. Okay, anyway. Let's try this light bulb. Alright, The only thing I can think of is to put it directly across my 120 volts, and that's scary. We haven't done that yet. Oh, I'm also across the resistor right here. I totally forgot that. Let's drain this. Okay, 9 volts. Now I'm going to remove it from the resistor. I'm going to put it in the normal spot. There we go. Let's go up again. 80, 117 volts. Boom. 190 megahertz. And ouchies, drainage. Oh, it's at 44 volts. It's totally chewing up current. That's cool. Alright. Let's see what we can get here. Alright, let me turn the voltage up. Whoa, that was a little high, I guess. Okay, not much of an effect at all. Ooh, I hate that buzzing. Oh, yeah, it doesn't like that shit. I think it got stuck on too. That makes me nervous. Alright, drain that. Let's put it across the light bulb this time. Oh shit. Alright, let's go back up. Nothing. Not a zip zilch Yamada data. So I'm concerned about this tube bias. It's G2 that I'm putting this stuff to. I'm gonna need a 2 dB switch. That's what I'm gonna need. Okay. So our switching is a bit fucked. Or, you know what? I have a better idea. I will put a resistor from here to ground. That's a good idea. Wait, there's already resistors to ground. I think they're not 10Ks. They're probably 1 meg. So let me find a 10K. They're right here, actually. They should be. I think I have one left. I do have one left. It should actually probably be 20K. Where's my resistor box? My resistor box. Okay. 100. Probably don't have what I need in these old resistors. I probably have to take it from my new resistors. 5.6, 4.7, 30, 20, 47K. Cool, I like that one. I might use it. 22. Cool. I have one left of each of those. That's the 22K. I'll stick that in here, like so. Across here. And hopefully, let's see, turn you a bit. That's the power supply I have right there. And it's in series with this light bulb, so when I hit the button, so the fact that that light bulb is always glowing is telling me that my tubes are always passing power, and I'm not sure I like that. So what we're trying to do is to get it to not do that. So I'm gonna touch it, and it didn't work. It did not help at all. Probably would need a negative voltage, which is an issue because I don't have a dual voltage supply. So yeah, and this was the 22K and it didn't work. Let me see if this one works. Oh, heck no. Well, what should I do? I'm gonna need a dual voltage power supply, damn it. Anyway, what does happen if I put this across with the technique? Huh. I'm not getting a signal all of a sudden. What happened? What the hell? I don't know if I fucked something up or what. Ooh. Because all of a sudden, why is that happening now? Gosh darn it. Oh, that's a stupid thing. Alright, what did I screw up now? What? So earlier it was working fine off what it had. The lower voltage. Now all of a sudden it can't handle it. What? Okay. G1. Maybe I need to bias G1. Let's take this 10K and bias one of these G1s. Yep, that didn't help. Okay. Okay. Lower voltage, it seems like, as long as I had the current to do it. Alright, so this is what's going to happen. I'm going to get one of my jumbo resistors, and I'm going to put it in series with this machine. And it might be spectacular. I need a bigger one than that. Let's see what we got in here. Here's a couple. Here's a couple. And they're biggies too. So. Let's see. 16 ohms. And combined 20. These are in parallel. We'll try that first. Alright. Let me unplug this thing. Words. I don't do words very well. Auto transformer. Variac. Okay. here. Whoops, sorry, can't see. Oh, hey, hello, GM Gameplay, Middle Ocean, Atlantic, North Asia, Portugal. Hey, what's up? Negative? Oh, shit. You know what? That's okay, I think. AC will be just fine. It can rectify it on its own. Oh, we got a dog going off. Shut up! This is high voltage. Okay. Put the high voltage over here. Alright, good to go. Oh yeah, everything's great. Is everything good with you? I hope. Alright. I guess I should have a voltage readout. I don't know. I don't need it. Ooh, forgot to put the resistors in series. Oh, what am I doing? Trying to test this radio right here. It's the first time. Uh, it was supposed to light this light bulb up from a distance just by putting it in here. But with the low current that I'm giving it, it's not doing well. Also, it's supposed to be 80 megahertz, and it's shooting out at 100 and something. 120, 180, I can't remember. Which isn't great. It's supposed to be lower. And I'm not able to lower it, even with this coil. So I have an idea. Just take this. Whoops, hello. And perfection. A little bit of hair. Whoa. This damn stand is trying to dox me. Oh, shit. What? This thing is awful. Need a new one. Oh, it's just spinning all the way around. That is not okay. What? Okay. We're giving it more power. Lots more power. I think I'm done connecting it. Yeah, let's plug it in. Oh, let's plug it in. Okay, she's in. Oh, my 12 volt heater is getting really hot. Heater. My 12 volt power supply is getting hot. So, oh, and it's almost sundown and I gotta go to work. So, I have a car to repair. Oh, I don't drink and I'm still messing up. It's an issue. Okay, let's see what we got going on. Here we go. This is the first time I've ever done a full current test with the radio. Oh, by the way, that's the original model right there. This one. This one does CB, 32 megahertz. Yeah, if I drank, it'd put a hole in my stomach. So I couldn't if I wanted to. Sometimes I'm able to, and it's really enjoyable. I like those days. Wait a second. Oh, I touched that like that plugged in. What is wrong with me? Okay, voltage. How know how much? Like this, and like this. Shit. Like this. I mean, alright. AC. I kind of don't want my meter anywhere near this thing. I'll be honest with you. Oh, light. Okay. Perfect. You know what would be nice? I think I'll put in. No, no, I will not. Actually, yes, I will. This bulb right here. Will I? No, because that will, this has a little thing in it that goes back and forth because it's a starter. When it heats up, it makes contact and it puts full voltage. I don't want to use that. So, oh, look. I can use this. Fuck yes. But I already have these. I forgot about that. Let's turn it up. Okay. 20 volts. Let's give it a test. Nothing. Okay. Let's run it up to 60. Actually, we'll hit it at 50. 50 should be good. Oh my god, you guys. Oh yes! Look at that. That is beautiful. It's only hitting once though. That's weird. And then it shuts off. I wonder if because this is having a really hard time. Let's see. Start 120 and at 180. Yes. That'll make it a little faster. No? Did I accidentally miss? Start 80. Stop 250. 250. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's 190. That's why I couldn't see it. Alright, start 180. Stop 100. I mean 220. Alright, that made it a lot faster. I'll get a more detailed description. There it is. Looking good. Okay. Hitting at that frequency of 60 hertz. Let's see if it does anything with this now that it's full current. Let me turn your light out. Fuck no. Oh, that's because of 60 volts. This thing can't. So let's turn it up. We gotta go to 90 volts to get the neon to light. Even though it should multiply it, but whatever. Fuck, it didn't light. That's upsetting as hell. Okay. definitely spraying radio across the spectrum. Here's that little plasma lamp. There's no plasma. There's no fucking plasma. A dude said there would be plasma. Whoops. Didn't mean to drop that. Man. Alright. Alright, now we're at 109 volts. Okay. Oh, shit. I mean, I know the coil would have to be tuned to it and all that, but damn, come on. Whoa. Stability. I wonder if... What do I wonder? Let's see what this capacitor does. Okie doke. Now I would like to see, if at all possible. Oh, you know what I have? I have a oscilloscope. That's what I have. But I probably shouldn't use it just in case it ends up being high voltage. I want to see if this can see. Toy like a toy gun. Oh, you son of a bitch. I'm asking a lot of this thing. I'm doing it like this. Okay. Okie doke. See if we get anything, huh? Well, this meter isn't very fast for one, so that will be an issue. I'm just gonna have to use the oscilloscope, I guess. Let's see, where did I hide the probes? The probes! Where are the probes? The probes! We need the probes! Give us the probes! I'll forget about this thing. Shit. Let's see where the probe's at. Here we go again with the bullshit. Love it. I fucking love it. Haha. And it's empty? Are you... Because the probes are right here, hanging right here. That's aggravating as shit. What in the fuck? Okay. Yeah, people did not wait for that shit. No, they did not. Alright. Damn, nothing? Are you serious? Oh shit, y'all can't see that thing. Oh god damn. This is what's happening right now. Are you fucking serious? God damn piece of shit. Okay. Oh wow, I hate this camera stand. There you go. Not much of nothing, huh? I think this coil is really out of tune for it. Hey, there's some stuff. But I think that's some other kind of noise. That came through the electrical system. Got a little wiggle here. Oh, there's our wiggle. Okay. Wow, this coil's really picking up nothing. What is... Whoa. Let's try this. Damn, not even a wiggle. That is profoundly disappointing. I want to take the resistors out. See what that does. Let's turning down. Alright. I have a gas discharge bulb, don't I? Yeah, it's right here. Tangling this shit. Do I have another one? I have another one on hand. Shit on it. This one? Yes. And it's always nice to handle that shit with your bare hands. So, you know, just in case. Alright. Let's see what we can do. 90 volts. I suppose. Oops, can't see the little lampy thing. Got it. There's the lamp. And it lights. Interesting. What is going on? I think. Going straight in, baby. Oh, of course. Of course. That's 30 volts. Oh, hey. It's probably like 60 volts, 80, 50, I don't know. Oh, turn it up. Turn it right up to 120. Looks kind of angry. Wait. That probably didn't light up by it. It probably didn't light up for why I think it did. Right? It probably just lit up because of leakage. Yeah. It's just leaky. Alright. Yeah. Still can't light anything. I wonder if the voltage has to be really high. I mean, that one guy did it. What the hell? Yikes. Turn it down. Wonder if I don't have enough voltage or current. What can I do about that? I mean, if I went to a few thousand volts, I mean, of course it would light. That's not the damn point here. Oh, this is not good. Oh shit, I gotta go. I can't play with this thing anymore. Fuck! I mean, at least it works as a radio. I mean, that's cool, but what the fuck? I mean, it should be doing a lot more. I wonder, I wonder if I need to plug it straight into the wall. And that scares the living shit out of me. I don't want to do that. Fuck. This lamp. I could try. Maybe. Maybe. Damn, I wish I could get some fucking advice. Alright, I'm gonna unplug this thing. And then I'm gonna put it there across that. So this is gonna be all the amps, except I'm gonna use this first. Fuck. There you go on this side. Okay. I will plug it over here because this is the easiest one to plug it into. I'm kind of scared. Don't explode. Something's going home. So far, nothing's going wrong. I'm scared to push that button. And if it gets stuck on and blows up, holy shit, this is so scary. Oh. It seems kind of like it's more stable just this way. Anyway. Still not lighting anything up though. Yeah, I gotta go. I have things to do. Thank you for coming, everybody. Thank you for commenting and all that good stuff. I'll turn that off so y'all can watch the tubes power down. Turn this off too. Nice little heater. Man, I'm gonna have to do some other shit. We gotta get to the high voltage, baby. Um, I had to buy more tube sockets or solder straight to the tubes because that took too long to build. At least it's pretty. I wanted to build one pretty thing. The next thing's going to be ugly. Bye. Goodbye. 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 I got to go. I gotta get dressed and everything. So, going.